Hey all, welcome to Tint, Taste, Tour, fulfilling your artistic and food cravings. Today we'll see how to make this beautiful Ganesha with mandala art. Before starting, if you haven't yet subscribed to Tint, Taste, Tour, do consider subscribing and also click on the notification bell. So first make a rough sketch of Ganesha with pencil, and then on top of it just mark the outline with a black marker. All of the material required is listed in the video description box below. I am using a sketchbook here, but you can also use a A4 size paper or chart paper, and it's okay to use a black sheet if you have. The only difficulty with using a black sheet would be that you have to paint the Ganesha in white first and then color upon it, because on black the colors won't pop up. So because we are going to use pencil colors, or else you can paint it with acrylic colors, that's also fine. For making the sketch, if you need a reference of this painting, then do check out my Instagram handle. I will post the link in the video description box below. So once you are done with the black outline, then we are going to paint the background in black. So only the Ganesha part stays white because we are going to fill in colors there, and the background entirely would be covered in black. For that I am using black watercolor. And as you can see, I have given two coats. For the second coat, don't use any water or don't mix the color with water, so that the color remains opaque. To fill in the colors, I'm going to use pencil colors. So if you are using a black chart paper, as I said before, then I would recommend using acrylic colors instead of pencil colors, because if the background is black, then the pencil colors won't pop up as they are not quite opaque. I'm using skin color here, but if you don't have one, you can mix in white with a little bit of orange. And for the shadows, I'm going to use brown or lighter tone of it. So to get a lighter tone of any of the pencil color, you just don't press hard on the paper. I'm making rays here with basically yellow color and white color. So the color pencil is to be held at an angle and give strokes towards the outer side as shown, and in the end they would form a semicircular pattern. Now you can leave this pattern as it is here, or you can also draw a mandala that I would be showing now. I'm using a masking tape, shape of the masking tape to draw the semicircle, but you can use any utensil which has a circular shape, or you can use a compass for that. And then using a white gel pen, uniball white gel pen, I am drawing the patterns. I'll give a link for it in the description box below. I personally feel this mandala pattern enhances the beauty of this entire artwork, and it looks really amazing when you frame it and hang it on the wall. And yeah, if you do try out this artwork, do not forget to share it on my social media websites, either on my Facebook page or on my Instagram handle. I have shared the link for it in the description box below. I would really love to see your artworks. Also, do like this video and let me know in comments what do you think about this artwork. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. See you next time guys with another fun tutorial. Until then, bye bye and stay safe.